In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain using Hostinger, connect it with Cloudflare DNS, and finally set up WordPress on this new subdomain. Whether you're looking to create a separate site for a blog, a shop, or perhaps a special project, creating a subdomain is a useful way to organize your web presence. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll focus on creating a subdomain in Hostinger. Start by logging into your Hostinger account and navigate to the hosting section. Once you're there, look for the domain for which you want to create a subdomain. Click on Manage next to your chosen domain, and then find the Subdomains option. Here, you'll be able to create a new subdomain by simply entering your desired prefix for your subdomain in the text box provided. It could be anything like blog, shop, or whatever suits your purpose. Once you've entered the prefix, click on Create. This process will generate your new subdomain within Hostinger. Now that you have your subdomain set up in Hostinger, it's time to integrate it with Cloudflare DNS. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account, head over to your dashboard, and select the domain you're working with. In the DNS settings, you'll want to add a new record, set the type to A, and in the name field, type the name of your subdomain, for example, blog. In the IPv4 address field, type in the IP address associated with your main domain. This step ensures that your subdomain will point to the correct server location. Make sure to save these changes by clicking Add Record. With the record saved, your subdomain should now be pointing correctly within Cloudflare DNS. The third step involves installing WordPress onto your freshly minted subdomain. Go back to your Hostinger dashboard and click on Auto Installer. Here, you should see an option for WordPress. Select it, and make sure to specify your subdomain in the installation path. Fill in the necessary details such as your site title, admin username, and password. Make sure that these details are kept secure as they're essential for accessing your WordPress dashboard later. Once you've entered all the information, start the installation process by clicking Install. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Finally, you need to access your subdomain to complete the WordPress setup. Open a new browser tab and visit your subdomain. This should bring you to the WordPress setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your language, then proceed with setting up your site by entering the login credentials you created earlier. Once you're in, you can start customizing your WordPress site according to your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a subdomain and installed WordPress, all while ensuring your new space is integrated smoothly with Cloudflare. Enjoy setting up your new site and don't hesitate to explore the numerous customization options WordPress has to offer.